The pneumatic two-speed fan clutch is designed with the heavy-duty vocational market in mind, but is also used in on-highway applications. A variant of the pneumatic on-off, the pneumatic two-speed is basically an on-off fan clutch with a mechanical attachment which causes the fan to rotate at low RPM even when the fan clutch is in the off position. This low RPM rotation simulates ram air and provides significant cooling, which reduces the number of times that the fan clutch must fully engage. A general rule is that a fan clutch should not be in the on position more than 10% of the time. If a fan clutch's on time exceeds 10%, the fan clutch will likely fail prematurely. The two-speed mechanism varies from manufacturer to manufacturer, but the target result is the same: to reduce the number of fan clutch engagements. It is the combination of airflow across the radiator and the engine coolant that keeps the engine within normal operating temperature. However, if you remove the airflow, the engine coolant itself is not enough. In an over-the-road application, because there is a high amount of airflow, the engine stays within normal operating temperature and the fan clutch rarely needs to come on. In vocational applications, where the vehicle is often at low speeds or idle, there is a lack of airflow across the radiator. Because of this, the engine temperature constantly rises above normal operating temperature and the fan clutch has to continually cycle to keep the engine cool. In these applications, where the fan clutch on time is greater than 10% of the engine runtime, a two-speed fan clutch is ideal. Good examples of this are cement trucks, garbage trucks, dump trucks, and so on. By installing a two-speed fan clutch in these applications, you will reduce the number of fan clutch engagements to an acceptable level. This will prolong the life of your fan clutch, but is also beneficial because it will save horsepower, improve fuel economy, and produce less noise.